It's a spirit. Now, why imfundisi are addressing it? Why imfundisi are addressing it? Why? Number one, I'm addressing it because the man comes in masquerading as an angel of light. And the devil has always been like that. He would quote scriptures. Go read. Balance scriptures. Go read Genesis chapter 3 verse 1. In your maifika kusatani, maifika kule mamula pekatini, itiyena. Ushilo yini uNkulunkulu ukuthi ungadli kuzo zonke izithelo zasengadini. Iyazi ukuthi kune element of truth there. But the truth that is there is misappropriated. This is how the devil operates. He will bring in a scripture that is right, but don't give you the right meaning of the scripture. Into ukuthi uEva dine adle isithelo ukuthi inyoka ifikile yakhuluma iqiniso leBhayibheli kodwa elingaminishwa iqiniso leBhayibheli. Uke wayizama lento uSathane wayizama kuJesu. UJesu makalambile wafika uSathane waquote the right scripture. Kulotshiwe ngawo ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzoya lezingelosi zakhe ngawo sekulondoloza ezandleni zakhe akayivunya lapho uphuzu ngetshe ngoba wayisho uJesu. But uJesu did not counter the scripture. The reason why Jesus is quoting a different scripture is because what the devil meant for the scripture, the correct scripture, it was not the right meaning. So Satan has always been operating like that. Madam Food is not to quote a verse, is a spirit. Number one, he addresses the issue of clothing. Impact.